Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up futures trading on Webull. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so I'm on the official website. So you just have to open your futures account. So to do that, just go to google.com and search for future account like this. Yeah, I'm just gonna go here. So to open a future account for new clients, just refer to the securities account opening. So you just have to come here and click on sign up. Just come to the Webull website and click on the three lines in the top left corner, and here you just have to sign in. So you can either sign in with your phone number, you can either sign up with your phone number or your email address. So yeah guys, then you just have to follow some simple prompts, and this is how you open your Webull futures trading account. So if you found this video to be helpful guys, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.